Ready to jump into the Solana ecosystem on your iPhone? Let's get Phantom Wallet installed in a flash. First things first, let's head over to the App Store. Just tap on that blue App Store icon, usually located on your home screen, but it might be hiding in a folder. Once you're in the App Store, tap on the search bar at the bottom and type in Phantom Wallet. Double-check the spelling to make sure you get the right one. Look for the official Phantom Wallet app. It has the white ghost logo on a purple background. Ensure the developer listed is Phantom Technologies. Tap the Get button or the cloud icon if you've downloaded it before. To start the installation process, you might need to use Face ID or your passcode to confirm the download. Now, just wait for the app to download and install. You'll see the icon appear on your home screen, and a progress bar will indicate the download progress. Once the app is installed, tap the Phantom Wallet icon to open it. You'll be greeted with options to either create a new wallet or import an existing one. For new users, select Create a New Wallet. The app will prompt users to create a strong password. Be sure to write down and save the password securely. The app will display the user's secret recovery phrase. The user must copy the phrase down in order and store it in a safe location on paper that only they know about. This phrase is the keys to the wallet. And that's it. You've successfully installed Phantom Wallet on your iPhone. Now you're ready to explore the world of Solana, send and receive tokens, and start using these centralized apps.